Good morning, YouTube, and welcome to today's vlog. I'm currently in Houston, actually technically Sugar Land, visiting Christian. Outfit of the day is gonna be, can you guess? That's Buddy Collection. Cali mesh jacket. It has mesh detailing on the back. Super pretty, love the color, and it actually has this little zipper protector at the top. I'll be wearing the Athena leggings, and these are a mesh pocket. Really beautiful detailing, and what I like about these is it really gives the waist a very flattering look. And then this is a matching sports bra. Usually I don't wear like a whole colored set. I was gonna wear a white sports bra with all this, like this, but I just got a spray tan, as you can see, so I'm super orange and splotchy. So I'm just gonna go ahead and wear the sage color too. But this is our Karis. This is our Karis bra. I love this bra. Honestly, this is one of my favorite ones because it's really simple in the front, but it's a party in the back, you know? And just so you guys know, all of our sports bras, I've had a lot of questions about this, they come with boob pads, and these are really nice quality ones. I don't know about y'all, but I've gotten really nice sports bras with really crappy boob inserts, and they just like flop around, or when you wash them, they just kind of like bunch up, and you have to like twist them out, and you just end up ripping them out. It's really annoying. So these are what ours look like. They're thick, they're durable. They're not like overly thick, they're just like very sturdy. And so they keep their shape.
Come on.
This is what Christian does to Nala every day.
Closing my foot. Come on, Nala, come on. Come on.
You're gonna make her so mad. She's so annoyed and confused.
Oh, you did it.
She got out. She's so smart.
Christian, A, pockets, A, Tina leggings.
Nice.
When it drops below 70 degrees in Texas.
Babe.
Time to go, babe.
I'm hungry and there's no food.
Christian literally has no food in the house, so I'm drinking a protein shake.
Liar. Chicken Alfredo right here.
You're eating that. That's gross. I don't know how you're eating that for breakfast. You're gonna smell like garlic. You finally ready? You've been primping this whole time? Are you done putting your makeup on? Nala, you wanna come? Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. She ready. Nala, sing.
Wow, that was...
Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Nala just doesn't care. We're here at Torchy's Tacos. You know what? I don't like Torchy's Tacos, but I'm gonna try. So wet out here, babe. I had a bad experience the last like couple times that I came here, and I think it's just because I'm just not a big Torchy taco fan. I feel like they just make their tacos, it's just too extra. I'm extra. But they just put all this kind of stuff in there, and I just don't really like it. But I'm gonna try again. I got a chicken, cheese, and lettuce taco, breakfast taco. It is potato, egg, and cheese. I am basic. I am a basic.
How was it? Was it good?
I give it a 6.
A 6?
That was like kind of nice. I was gonna get like a 4.5.
It's just Heidi gets... Can I just get chicken, lettuce, cheese? Like, yeah, it's gonna taste plain. It's not gonna taste great.
Well, I don't really like all the crazy fancy stuff. I'm not extra.
What?
Well guys, I've been alone by myself for like 5 minutes and spilt my up all over my lap. So now it kind of looks like I wet myself. Today's appointment, we're actually gonna find out what foods I'm allergic to that were tested by blood. So the first time I did an allergy testing was a skin prick test. I have all the documents there I'm gonna be showing you guys, and this doctor actually did a blood test. So today we're gonna be going over the results from the blood test and talk about phase 1 of my road to recovery. So I'm excited, I'm nervous. I made it, guys, I made it. Okay, and I'm going in drinking an Up energy drink, so I feel like I'm gonna get kicked out of this holistic medicine naturopathic doctor's office, but.
Hey,
Hi, how are you?
you exist.
I do, yes, I'm here. So
I like your outfit, that's really neat.
thank you.
And I hope you don't love salmon.
Salmon?
Yeah.
No, actually I hate it, so that's great, but.
Good. It is one of the most reactive ones you have.
Really? That's
Yeah.
weird, because I eat it during preps.
You got to find something different.
Which ones were the worst?
The egg whites.
Oh, no. I can't have egg whites? That makes me so sad.
Your most reactive foods was egg white, wheat gluten, whole wheat, and salmon.
Alright, so I basically can't eat anything.
The green peppers were level 3. The first 4 was level 4s. Level 2 items are egg yolks, rice, chili peppers, pecans, and mushrooms.
Cause he got me so high, just watching him time flies. Make love to him daytime, I can't get enough. Yeah, he got me so high, just watching him time flies. Make love to him daytime.
Hello. Just trying to make sure that, wow. All right guys, here's the deal. We are gonna do a skit. We're gonna go to the grocery store and embarrass ourselves, and here's my twin. Slash my inner self. Buff Bunny 2.0. We're throwing it back. The better one. Grocery shopping time. Healthy food only today. Perfect.
That one tastes like sadness. This one has a toy.
I like toys.
You forgot the cinnamon rolls. I'm on a diet. They're gluten free. I'm on a diet. They're on a diet. No! Let's finish to our shakes. Don't you dare ruin our shakes.
Apples are full of micronutrients.
Apple pie has micronutrients.
But cooking the fruit is gonna limit the vitamins in. Non-fat cottage cheese, perfect.
Get the non-fat Oreos.
These are non-fat. Perfect. Need some healthy fats in my diet. What kind of nut should I get?
Donut.
I said a nut.
Donut.
That one tastes like set.
You worked out. You forgot cinnamon rolls.
I can't.
Apple pie has micronutrients. Deep fry them in couple minutes.
Don't you dare ruin our shakes. Don't you dare ruin our shakes.
That one tastes like sadness.
Good day slash definitely not morning, guys. It's afternoon. Cheers. Jess, what'd you get? What'd you get me? What is this? Just following you?
Skinny white mocha with non-fat milk, whipped cream, upside down with a sprinkle of cinnamon.
She thinks I'm super extra because I was like, can you give me a skinny white mocha with whipped cream and sprinkles on top? She's like, wow, you're extra. What did you get?
Pike.
A pike?
Roast. I get basic coffee.
Ew.
I don't get anything. That's it. Oh, and it's got half and half.
Get it, girl. Oh my God, there's no room. Wow. That took skill. You better slurp that up. Slurp. Slurp it. Okay guys, so I'm actually gonna talk about my food allergies. That's what we're talking about right now. All right, so update on food allergies and oral allergy syndrome and all that. I know you guys have been asking. I've been going to see this naturopathic doctor, and I'm gonna be starting this 21-day detox / meal plan. But first I wanna go over my allergies because people have so many questions. They're like, Heidi, you said you're allergic to fruit. And I am allergic to like 95% of fruit. I'm trying to make sure if there's anything that you guys shouldn't see on here. So my first testing that I had was like, I don't know, 2-3 years ago. I had a prick test done where it tells you everything you're allergic to. At Live Oak Allergy and Asthma Clinic, there's my name, there's my birthday. I am North American. I scribbled out some of my personal information. She tends to get swollen lips and some throat swelling. She went to the ER because of the last reaction to mango 3 weeks ago. I was with my friend Kendall and I had a sip of a protein shake. I didn't know it had mango residue in it. Whatever happened, had a mango, had to go to the ER. Embarrassing. I'm sorry, Kendall. Throat tightness to fresh fruits and vegetables, including cherries, strawberries, blackberries, peas, apples, bananas, almonds, and mango. So those were kind of like the major ones that I could think of, like, yeah, I'm definitely allergic to these. But what happened was I was allergic to like 1 or 2 things early on in my life. And as I got older, I just got more and more allergic to things that I was like, I eat these things all the time. Like I used to have bananas and I used to have mangoes and I used to have almonds all the time and blackberries. So confusing to me and I was getting really frustrated. Discussed proper use of an EpiPen. They showed me how to use an EpiPen. Directed me to go to the ER if I ever needed to use it. Oral allergy syndrome, they think it's because I was born in Alaska and I'm allergic to birch. It happens with Alaskans. I should avoid the foods that I've had oral reactions to along with the foods that was positive on this test. So basically like all the foods that came up that said I was allergic to, as well as things that said I was a 0, but I still had allergies to. So it says I was allergic to coffee, but I was like, I've never had a reaction to coffee, so I'm gonna go ahead and drink my coffee. Yeah, it's perfect. Oh wow. All right. Page 1 says I am a level 4 and 3 on a lot of things if you guys look at the bottom of the page when you do an allergy testing. So 0 is obviously like no allergy, 1 is a small allergy but able to control it. A 2 is a allergy that is not controllable and you have flare-ups. A 3 is a definite
no.
Yes, 3 is a definite, like you are allergic, this is not controllable, you need to avoid this food. 4 is considered severe, and that is where it is not only controllable, but you have, you know, your throat closing, extreme hives, like extreme everything, like legit severe. I have a lot of 4s, so obviously I'm severely allergic to a lot of things. My second page is right here, if you guys can see that. Basically, I'm allergic to like all trees and grass, it sucks. Next page it says I'm allergic to feathers. I haven't had any issue. I haven't been like holding any like goose or geese or birds lately, but apparently I'm allergic to feathers. 0 on cat hair, but I cannot tell you how allergic I am to cat hair. All my siblings, we can't be around cats. If we're around cats, we just like swell up. It's like, no cats. Okay, so next is gonna be food allergies, and this gets a little confusing because like some of the things on here, it'll say I'm severely allergic to, but I eat them. And I've never had a reaction to, so when they gave me this testing, I was like, I'm sorry, but I eat eggs all the time, I drink coffee all the time, and I've never had a reaction. So, if you guys have seen episode 2 of Rotten, they talk about how the blood testing and the skin prick testing are great guides, but the most accurate thing is to actually do the food challenge, which is to try things and see how your body reacts. Here's my first page of food allergies. A level 4 for egg whites. That's severely allergic, but you guys see me, I eat eggs all the time and I've never had a problem. Nuts, I'm allergic to cashews, peanuts, pecans, pistachios, sunflowers, and vanilla. Almost all the other nuts besides walnuts and hazelnuts, they just said to steer clear of them. So that's why it's like I can't have any nuts, I'm not supposed to, besides a coconut, but coconuts are technically a fruit, nut, and seed all in one, so there. Second page, so if there's a slice next to it, that means it's stuff that I've had reactions to. And then the stars are obviously like severe allergic reactions to soybeans and strawberries, eggs, beef. I literally just had a burger like a little while ago and I'm fine obviously, so it's weird. Tomatoes, like raw tomatoes, I've had like mild reactions to. Strawberries, I cannot have those. White potatoes, if I touch them when they're raw, like a white potato, after the peel's off, I just start getting this crazy hives all over my hands and I start like swelling up on the face. And pineapples, I can't, itchiness in my mouth. And the next page. So level 3 for wheat, severely allergic to string beans, apples, carrots, onions, and green peas. This one I've actually gone to the emergency room for, no, almost to the emergency room, but I just chugged a bottle of Benadryl. Pears, peaches, oranges, grapefruits, grapes, cantaloupe, bananas, avocados, those are all ones I've had reactions to, but on the testing, it said I was fine. If you guys can read that. So that was a testing I had like 2-3 years ago, and then recently I had a blood test done, and he says that there is a possibility that he can correct these food allergies, like some of them. We'll see if it happens. I don't know, I'm just open to new things because there is a slight difference with this. Once food crosses into the gut, that's where like inflammation happens. And so this is kind of like testing the like gut inflammation I have. Really not a bad list. They said inflammation in my gut is mostly egg whites, gluten, whole wheat, salmon, green peppers, egg yolks, rye, chili peppers, pecans, mushrooms. That's not a bad list. However, this is only the list that gives my gut inflammation. So I can technically still have it. I just have the chance of inflammation in the gut. All right, so that is food allergy 101 for you guys. It's a lot. I know it's kind of like a lot to digest. The doctor thinks that I have a low immune system, relaxing the gut and just pumping it full of supplements and immune boosters and probiotics and all this stuff could help me build up immunity towards these foods I'm allergic to. So, like, boom. Boom! So I have a 21-day meal plan / detox that I'm gonna be doing. All the information is in this folder. I'm gonna be doing very soon. I'm not starting it yet because I'm kind of getting everything prepared. I'm kind of doing a lot of research, getting all my supplements in order. I will show you guys in the next YouTube video. So get ready for this extreme meal plan / detox that is supposed to work miracles. We will see. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!